having Hope Orthopedic be in Salem and not having to drive to Portland, there's no beating having it be so close. I had my right knee done at the beginning of March, and exactly 12 weeks later, I had my left knee done. I didn't realize after years of marathon running how much my joints were taking. And I got to a point where I could not run. I could walk, but it hurt no matter what I did. The pain affects every single aspect of your life. My wife can tell you for sure, I was not a lot of fun to be around for a lot of this time because of constant pain. It never goes away. Even when you're sleeping, it doesn't go away. My first thought was I was going to have to go to Portland because I didn't think Salem, being a smaller town, would have as many choices. But I did find Hope Orthopedic. I came in and met with Dr. Sewell, and I was immediately relaxed. I enjoyed his sense of humor, which to me is a huge thing. So I was like, nope, let's go forward. And I never looked back. I had Dr. Sewell for both knees, and I couldn't recommend him higher. Right after surgery, right after I woke up, one of the very first things we do is get up and walk. Now, mind you, most people don't walk a lot. I wanted to prove that I could do it, and I walked the entire length of the hallway and back. That first, just a couple hours after surgery, I started going to physical therapy almost right away, and I went in-house at Hope, and I had wonderful physical therapists. The people at Hope, from the physical therapist to the reception people to the PAs, everybody was so kind and helpful. The one thing that I did not know going into having total knee arthroplasty was I thought that there were going to be some limits, things I could never do again. I knew that I was not going to be running a marathon again. And at one of my follow-ups, I was told, oh no, once it is healed and once you've gone through all your physical therapy and stuff, there's really nothing you can't do that a person with normal knees can. And right now, I'm tearing apart my shop in my garage, and I've gone through in the last week and done all sorts of reframing, and I'm putting up drywall and putting up insulation. I come in at the end of a long night covered in drywall dust and take a shower, and I go, my legs don't hurt, my knees don't hurt. And that, let me tell you, that is worth it all.